Welcome to the Autoverse, your ultimate destination for exploring automotive icons from the past and present. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 1939 Ford Standard Tudor Sedan, a vehicle that embodies the charm and innovation of pre-war American automobiles. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our deep dives into automotive history. The 1939 Ford Standard Tudor Sedan was introduced during a time of rapid innovation in the automotive industry. This model was part of Ford's Standard line, offering a more affordable option compared to the Deluxe series, while still delivering impressive quality and style. The 1939 model year marked a significant evolution for Ford, showcasing design refinements and mechanical advancements that set it apart from earlier generations. Under the hood, the 1939 Ford Standard Tudor Sedan came equipped with Ford's reliable 3.6-liter Flathead V8 engine. This engine produced 85 horsepower, providing ample power for daily driving and long-distance travel. Known for its durability and smooth performance, the Flathead V8 was a key factor in Ford's success during this era. The engine was paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, offering a straightforward and engaging driving experience. The design of the 1939 Ford Standard Tudor Sedan was a blend of elegance and practicality. It featured a sleek, rounded body with streamlined fenders and a distinctive grille design. The single-piece, V-shaped windshield and teardrop-shaped headlights added a modern touch to its appearance. The Tudor Sedan's two-door configuration provided a sportier silhouette compared to larger four-door models, making it a favorite among younger buyers and small families. Inside the 1939 Ford Standard Tudor Sedan offered a comfortable and functional cabin. The interior was designed with simplicity in mind, featuring bench seating upholstered in durable materials. The dashboard layout was clean and straightforward, with a large central speedometer and easy-to-reach controls. While the Standard line lacked some of the luxurious touches found in the Deluxe series, it still provided a pleasant driving environment. In 1939, the Ford Standard Tudor Sedan was priced at around $725,000, making it an affordable option for a wide range of buyers. Today, this classic car holds significant value among collectors and enthusiasts. Depending on its condition and level of originality, the well-maintained 1939 Ford Standard Tudor Sedan can sell for anywhere between $15,000 and $50,000. Restored models and those with rare features or modifications often command higher prices at auctions and private sales. The 1939 Ford Standard Tudor Sedan remains a beloved classic that reflects the innovation and craftsmanship of its era. Its iconic design, dependable performance, and accessible pricing made it a popular choice in its time, and its enduring appeal continues to captivate enthusiasts today. Whether you're a fan of pre-war cars or simply appreciate the history of American automotive design, the 1939 Ford Standard Tudor Sedan is a model worth celebrating. Thank you for joining us on the Autoverse to explore this remarkable piece of automotive history. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the world of classic and modern vehicles. Stay tuned for more exciting content.